Morning, everyone. So, do I start? Okay. So, moving along with us from Modula as a vertical lift machine, moving on with solutions, incorporating other partners as well. Right. So you would agree with me, machines are like humans. We need to collaborate for work to make a solution workable. And also that it is a crucial element for smart factories as an exchange of data between production and distribution process. So in order to do this, we need to facilitate by the Ethernet and cloud-based industrial IoT. And of course, I don't think I need to go into detail about what's industrial IoT because there's so much more experts on the ground than myself. Okay. So to meet the challenge of modern manufacturing, smart factory solution and Modular is one of the solution providers. The urgent need for smart factories would be then for supply chain executives across various industries to run the balance of production, inventory, as well as delivery schedules more effectively. Where do I click? Okay, so our global presence, as you can see, that's demarcated. I'm based in Singapore, covering the sales across APAC. We have as you can see, we have 4 plants, those highlighted in black, 2 for US market, Italy as our headquarters, and China for APAC market. So I would like to invite you to take a peek inside our production floor because we are Italian engineered, China produced. As you can see, this production floor is exactly the same as what you would see in our headquarters. So it doesn't mean that when we produce from China means to say we are using China suppliers or inferior products. It's not true because we are using everything with the guidelines of Italian standards as well as using Italian machines to do the fabrication of things. So with this advantage, we do have 8 weeks delivery time, and delivery to Asia is just 2 weeks as compared to do a 32 weeks to 36 weeks delivery from Europe. Okay, so sorry, it's too fast. Okay, so going into a little bit of history, our founder started the business in 1987. To today, 2023, we are still fabricating the same product, but much more better than how it first started. So mainly 2 products as a base, horizontal carousel, the one on the right, on your left, sorry. So that is more suitable for low ceiling height and American market. It's not too much suitable for APAC. So the one on the right, that is the lift machine that we want to talk about. So with that machine, the purpose of having so is to do automated storage, picking, fulfillment of small item pieces. It can be bolts and nuts, it can be valve, it can be almost anything as small as a bolt and nut or washer or as large as an aircraft engine. So this is a pic of the 4 plants that we have to show you that we are growing and there is a demand in the market. So this is the machine that we're talking about. This is the modular lift, which is the bigger scheme of things than the machine that we have on display on the left of the hall. The center moving piece is the elevator. That's the service door. We could have options of delivery bay, internal or external. Laser pointers, visual aids to help you with accuracy picking. And the main purpose to have this is to actually cover airspace. We don't want to lay everything on the floor. We want to keep the airspace. We want to keep it neat and tidy. It's modularly built. The standard machine is 16 meters, but we can go as high as 23. Multiple openings across the floors. Various tray sizes, 1.5 to 4.1. Tray depths to suit different needs. And payload from 250 all the way up to 1 ton per tray. Condensed inventory of a minimum pitch of 25 mm. Integratable with other solutions. Climate, this is for clean room, ISO 5 and below. Climate control. Right, so we just do a little recap on what we just saw. Right, so we saw the slim, hang on. Okay, so slim is what we have on display. That is 3.5 meters. It can go as high as maximum 7 meters. Then the horizontal carousel for the US market, lift as high as 23. So using the lift as a base module, we then further develop and integrate with other solutions to make it more workable. We also have the pallet solution. We have the modular next that was recently launched, and the climate control for vaccine vial or chemicals or essence, anything in that perfumery industry. So, gentle recap. The purpose of having modular would be floor space saving. We save time from picking manually, ergonomically designed, suitable for most industries, scalable configurations, multiple opening bays, maximum machine height, accommodate ambient up to 45 degrees, an option for climate control products within the range of 2 to 25. So by embracing modular solutions, manufacturers can optimize small piece storage and fulfillment processes, leading to efficiency, reduce operational costs, and improve productivity in the warehouse. And of course, happier workplace. So our standard machine is already ISO 6 certified. It can be installed in clean room environment. So we have installed 2 in Robert Bosch recently. And next coming up would be Malexis. Clean room for using stainless steel is only for ISO 5 and below. Right, so now what connects the machine to your network to make it seamless. Key feature of this WMS is real-time integration. Additionally, WMS allows the host WMS to directly monitor the modular units directly. So we do have open or integratable sources to be able to integrate with almost every other solutions that is available in the market. Which one? This one. Okay. Right? So the dedicated and connected WMS for small piece inventory mainly eliminates manual input, inventory and racking, and dedicated WMS for small piece inventory to integrate data for static shelving digitally with our units, seamlessly managing and responding to all the reporting lines that you need. Insight-driven dashboards, track and trace unique IDs, fast installation, what we call plug and play, and leveraging on WMS connectivity and capabilities significantly improve efficiency and productivity. And that is what we've been advocating all along, productivity and efficiency. Of course, that would then channel to greater yield and lesser losses. So cloud-based remote reporting. With this software and platform, you have the real-time system performance and matrix. Remote analytics reporting platform, you can find out what is the real-time status regardless of where you are. A recap, purpose of having a modular cloud is to monitor performance matrix. It can also give you forecast for maintenance, to do your budgeting, to avoid when is your peak period for your production, data accessibility and security. So embracing 4.0 and smart factory solutions. At the highest level of production efficiency, the critical aspects of this evolution is harnessing interconnected automation solutions across multiple distribution processes. And of course, what makes Modula so confident in bringing this forward, bringing this onto a different platform, is that we have over 30 years of experience developing our product to make it to listen to the demands in the market, from a standard machine all the way up to pilot solution, next solution, and even coming more, we have the FlexiBox to be looked out for next year. We have a dedicated department to do R&D. That is the bread and butter to keep constantly improving our product. We have profound knowledge on software, as well as numerous partners that has proven success with us. So this is how some of our projects look like seamlessly. We have multiple projects, like you see this, you have 8 units here. The largest number of modulars in a single project is 60 units in Germany. Right, so as you can see here, we do some integration. Likewise for this. And this is a sample of penetrating the floors and external installation. We even have one here in Penang, correct, Tong? We have one. KBC was the ones who installed the external installation for Bisling. So we're trying to tell you that modular is versatile. It doesn't really have to be in a warehouse per se. So now another references for lift with robotic integration. Like this is what we do with the robotic arms. AMR. Right, so we have displayed this in Germany, working with Mir and ABB. Right, so we also have some modifications, like we can do with a deeper bay, we can do a customized to your tote box, We can do the what do you call that, modified trays to fit the grids. Likewise, whatever AMR that we can use. We've tried with Omron as well. So just to give you an idea that the machine is a customizable solution. It's not to buy off the rack. No, it's not the case. So depending on the customer needs, we do modifications like this. And these are quite some samples. Customized tunnels to accommodate to a different kind of tray and also picking solution. So increase delivery height because clients think that 750, the normal standard, is not good enough. They need a platform to step upon. Special base to have different kind of grids. So adjustable co-pilot positions. Like this, we can do it standalone as well. Perforated panels for air circulation. So for this one, this solution has been applied to wine delivery, wine distribution centers where we have a air-conditioned environment. All we need to do is just to have perforated panels to encourage airflow. Right, so panels, windows, closing on the top structure. Right, modified trays. Instead of flatted trays, we have different trays. And also tray locks for safety purposes. We can add that on. For tube storage, we can do that. For vertical storage like this, like for bank screens, yeah, we can. Monitors and industrial PCs to be installed on our machine, that is doable. Likewise, if we need like bigger feet just to fit the floor loading, to separate out the weight. LED light on the elevators for safety and signaling. Extended ladders for if we need to incorporate a third-party solution for fire suppression, smoke detectors, this is what we can do. Electromagnetic tray lock. And of course, for multiple picking, we have picking cart so that one person can do multiple pickings instead of picking one item at a time. So different models for different configuration. Different kind of trays, carts, whichever. And the types of shelf we can also is always adjustable. Different configuration to suit different needs. And it's very much the same. So that's why modular could be a very good solution, and we have a lot of successful case references. So if you need to touch base with me, this is my contact details. My technicians and my distributors are all on this side. So if you have inquiries or burning questions to ask, please clarify with us later. Thank you.